Are you ready? Can I start discussion?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Wait, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So aluminium and nitrogen react to form an ionic compound called aluminium nitride. So what you really need to remember here that the compound is ionic and the name is aluminium nitride. So basically ionic compound aluminium nitride. This you need to remember. See, aluminium has how many electrons in the outermost orbit? Origin, tell me how many electrons outside aluminium? Arijit, how many electrons? Outside, only outside. The one which I am giving an arrow, only outside. How many electrons? Show me.
The three. The
Three
three.
electrons. Very good. So these three electrons with the three red ticks will be transferred to nitrogen. So that nitrogen will have how many electrons after this? Initially, nitrogen has five in the outermost, but after
Eight.
Five in the
Eight.
outer side.
so 5 at
Three.
first, then it takes 3, so it will have 8 electrons. So now,
Yes,
see, they
sir.
are telling whether aluminium loses or gain electron. What aluminium does, whether it loses or it gains.
Loses.
Very good, it loses the
Loses.
electron.
Loses is the answer. A. Loses.
How many electrons it
Sir,
loses? How many
Three.
electrons?
Three.
3
Three.
electrons.
three.
Three.
Now, so basically aluminium will lose 3 electrons and after losing it will form an ion. Can you tell me the charge of the ion, plus or minus?
Plus.
How many pluses?
The two.
Why? It lost 3
No.
electrons.
Three. Three. Three
So
are
plus,
transparent.
plus. Are you getting?
Plus.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So what is the charge on this ion? It is a positive charge. Positive charge.
So what is A3?
Which one?
The
Al
three.
minus Al
Safety.
minus 3. Al minus 3 means aluminium loses 3 electrons so that it becomes Al plus plus and plus. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Coming to question number B. Now do the same thing for nitrogen as well. Will nitrogen gain or lose electron?
Gain.
Gain. Very good.
Gain.
How many electrons it has gained?
Three. Five.
3.
Sir,
After gaining, what type of ion is formed? Positive or negative?
Positive.
No.
positive.
N plus 3e will give you N minus minus minus. What type of ion is it? Negative ion.
Minus.
Negative ion. Negative ion.
Okay. Now they are telling that if the electron distribution for the ions formed by the two atoms, okay, something like this. So for aluminium, you are having like this. For aluminium, what you are having? You are having like this. Al equals to 2 comma 8 and nitrogen will be 2 comma 8. Please note this down. Al will be having 2 comma 8, nitrogen will be having 2 comma 8. See, they are telling electron distribution for the ions. So, okay, now what do you notice about the distributions? Basically, what we notice is aluminium donates 3 electrons.
From its outer shell.
Very good. From its outer shell.
So which
Shell.
answer? This one?
C part 2.
C
C
part
part
2.
2. Aluminium donates 3 electrons from its outer shell and nitrogen receives 3
Three
electrons. Very good.
electron
3 electrons in its outer shell.
from
So,
aluminum.
yeah, do you find the class interesting? Is the class okay to you, all of you? Do you understand what I teach?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Next, part D. Name another non-metal that will form an ionic compound with aluminium in the same way as nitrogen does. Very good question. What they are telling that aluminium basically will lose 3 electrons and it will form Al plus plus plus. So you have to name another non-metal which will take, let the non-metal be X. It will take 3 electrons to form X minus minus minus. Now the question is, sir, how will we know this? Come to the periodic table and go to the group of nitrogen. What you can see, N, below that P, then becomes S, this then becomes SB, and then SI, right? Have you got?
No, sir. Then BI.
Wait. Sorry, it's not SI, it's BI. Okay. So all of
BI.
these will gain 3 electrons. All of these will gain 3 electrons. Okay, all of this. They will gain 3 electrons. Gain 3 electrons. So what you can do is you can choose P for phosphorus. So aluminium plus 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 and phosphorus minus 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 will get combined to form ALP. Okay, this is the answer. ALP. Name another non-metal. So another non-metal I have named is phosphorus and the compound will be ALP. Can you see the board?
Yes, sir.
All of you, have you taken down?
Yes, sir.
Now can I expect the homework that I will give
Wait,
you and you
sir.
will be able to solve?
Wait,
Now can
sir.
I
Hello.
expect
Wait,
the
sir.
homework to be given?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I will
Sir,
give
which
you
homework?
homework to do. I will post it in the homework. These two are classworks. This video will be uploaded. These are all classworks. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right.